Okay, friends, welcome to IACA. Today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grant Test number 51 Reasoning Explanation. Friends, take your first question. Sige. Begin first question is one. Which of the following letter will be fifth to the right of, fifth to the right of, next fourth to the left hand. If the first and last next here. That means here first and last letters are interchange. Next one is what? Second and second last. That means second and second last. Next one is what? Third and next third last. Next fourth and fourth last. Next one fifth and fifth last. Next one is what? Here these two are interchanged. Yes. Just indicate arrow marks like this. Now friends, here first letter is interchanged with last letter, second letter is interchanged with next second letter from last, next third letter is from left hand is replaced with third letter from right hand, like that. Yes, leave it. Now the given one is what? Fifth to the right half, fourth from left hand. Both are opposite. Opposite means what? Yeah, total is what? 9. Question is ending with which hand? Left hand. That means 9 from left hand. See, from left hand, take here ninth one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth one. But ninth one B. B is replacing with here. B is replacing with here P. That means here answer is what? P. So question number 1 answer is option D. Now question number 2, friends, okay. See here, question number 2. The given is what? 7 tracks B, C, D, E, F, G and H have different heights. Have different height. Leave. Truck C is taller than at least 3 trucks. Yes, friends, okay. Total here we are having 7 trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trucks. Next. See here, truck C is taller than at least 3 trucks. Leave. Only truck G is taller than truck E. Yes, friends, okay. Only truck G is taller than truck E. That means friends, okay, only G is taller than E. Only G is taller than E. That means except J, no one is taller than E. That means here E second tallest, G is the tallest. Next, leave it. Now friends, okay, the given is what? Truck C is taller than at least 3 trucks. Yes. So truck C is taller than at least 3 and at least 3. That means here C here chance, next C here also chance, C here also chance. Yes. If I take here C means C is taller than at least 3 trucks. If I take here C means C is taller than at least 3 trucks. At least 3 means what? Minimum is 3. That means for C here we are having 2 possibilities. Then take here down also. Now G, next one is what? Here E. Next, leave it. Next one, check here. Next one is what? Truck F is taller than H. Friends, again F is taller than H. F is taller than H. Next, but shorter than D. Here, but qualifies F. F is shorter than D. That means here D is taller than F. Next one. Truck B is taller than truck D. B is taller than D. B is taller than D. Now check here this one. See here. In a possibility, if I take here B, next one is what? D, next one is what? F, next one is what? Here H. In down possibility also chance. B, next one is what? D, next one is what? F, next one is what? Here H. That means here we don't know about B and C exact position. In this case, C is taller than at least 3 trucks. Here also C is taller than at least 3 trucks. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Leave it. Now take your question. Which of the following truck is shortest? Shortest. First case is H. Second case also H. Then answer is what? H. So there is no option me. Then simple answer is what? None of this. Answer is what? None of this. Yes. So question number 2, option E. Question number 3. How many trucks are taller than truck B? Taller than truck B. If I take first possibility, if I take B here, taller than B, 2 here we are having. If I take here B, now taller than B, here we are having 3 having. That means answer is what? Cannot be determined. Why means here we don't know the B exact position. Next one. Question number 4. How many trucks are shorter than G? How many trucks are shorter than G means first case, first possibility G is the tallest, second also G is the tallest. How many trucks are shorter than G? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks. So question number 4 answer is what? Option A. Friends, take here question number 5 to 6. Question number 5 to 6. Take here given one. Naman starts walking in the west direction. Yes, friends, check here. Naman starts walking in the west direction from point P and from point P after walking 5 meter. Yes, friends, check here. After walking 5 meter. He turns to left. Yes, friends, check it. He turns to left from point Q. Yes. So he turns to left from point Q and walks for 3 meter and walks for here 3 meter. Then turns to left. Again is turning left and walks for and see here. He turns left from point R. Next He walks for 7 meter. He walks for here 7 meter. Yes, friends, check it. 5, this one is what? Here to 7 meter. Next, now and then turns left from point A. This one is what? Point A. From point A again it turns left. Again it turns left and walks for 6 meter. Now this one is what? 3 meter. Now this one is what? Remaining 3 meter. Remaining 3 meter. Yes. At this point turns to left and walks for here 6 meter. Walks for here 6 meter till point T. Till point T. Yes. Next, he then turns to left and walks for 10 meter. Now, at this point is turning left, at this point is turning left and walks for here 10 meters. Walks for yes 10 meters. This one is 2 meter. Next, this one is part 5 total is part. This one is 5. Next, this one is part 2 total is part 7. Now remaining is part 3 meter. Total 10 meter. Yes. Next, and then turns to left from point U and walks for 3 meter till point V. This is point U. At this point U, he turns to left and walks for 3 meter to reach point En. Now, this one is 3 meter, this one also 3 meter. That means these two are horizontal in the same line. Yes, leave it. Now take your question. Question number 5. In which direction is point T with respect to point R? Point T with respect to point R. T is which direction with respect to R? With respect to R. See here, for R, east, west, north, south. T is which direction with respect to R means answer is for northeast. Answer is for northeast. So question number 5 answer is option C. Question number 6. What the shortest distance between point V and Q? Distance between V and Q. This one. This one is for 3 meter. This one also compulsory 3 meter. Then answer is for 3 meter. Question number 6 option B. Question number 7 to 11. See here, 6 people A to F are living in a 3-storied building with floor number 1 to 3 from the bottom to top. Yes, friends, check here. Bottommost floor is what? Here 1. Next one is what? Above it is what? 2. Next one is what? Here 3. So total here we are having 3 floors from bottom to top. Each floor has 3 flats labeled as flat 1, flat 2 and flat 3 from west to east. Flat 1, flat 2, flat 3 from west to east. From west to east. Yes. Friends, some cases they will give west to east. Otherwise, some cases they will give left to right. But both are same. Both are same. Yes. So friends, total here we are having 3 flats. Here total we are having 3 floors. Yes, leave it. Next one. No 2 people lives in the same flat. Next. No 2 people lives in the same flat. That means in each flat here we are having only one person. One flat in each floor is empty. That means in each floor here we are having one flat is empty. Total here we are having total 3 floors. Total each floor we are having 3 flats. Total 9 flats. But in each floor one flat empty means total 3 flats empty. That means remaining 6 members. Yes, leave it. Now take first point. C and D lives on the same odd number floor. Yes, but their flats are not adjacent to each other. So C and D lives on the same odd number floor means now C and D possibility is what? First floor chance, third floor also chance. Leave it. Next point. Friends, here B lives on a floor just immediately above F. Next, who lives? Who lives means what? F lives in a flat adjacent to A's flat. Next, A lives in a flat number 1 of lowermost floor. Yes, take this point. A lives in a flat number 1 of the lowermost floor. Then this one is what? Here A. This one is what? Here A. Now take first point. C and D live on the same odd number floor. That means now for C and D possibility is what? Odd number floor means third floor, first floor. But first floor already we are having A. That means for C and D third floor no sorry. For C and D first floor no chance. Then only possibility is what? Third floor. But C and D lives on the same odd number floor, but their flats are not adjacent. Not adjacent. That means this one is C means now this one is what? D. Otherwise this one is C means this one is what? Here D. Here these two flats are not adjacent. Yes, leave it. Next one. For next point is what? See here. B lives on a flat just immediately above F. Now BA lives on a flat just immediately above F. Just immediately above F. Who lives in a flat adjacent to A's flat? Who qualifies here? F. F lives on a flat adjacent to A. F lives on a flat adjacent to A means here F here chance, F here also chance. If I take here F means B is immediately above F, no chance. Then this one is what? F. Now this one is what? Here B. Our requirement is what? Each floor we are having one flat is empty. 2 members completed. This flat is empty. This flat is empty. Leave it. Next one. For next point is what? He who is means what? E is not adjacent to A. E is not adjacent to A. So friends, E is not adjacent to A. That means for E here no chance. Then this is the only possibility for E. This is the only possibility for E. E is not adjacent to A means for E here no chance. This is the possibility for E. This is the possibility for E. Next one is what? E is not adjacent to A, lives in a flat which is adjacent to D's flat. That means E is adjacent to D's flat. That means this one is for D. Now this one is for here C. C and D both are lives in the same odd numbered floor. Next, C and D are not adjacent. Now D is adjacent to E. D is adjacent to E. Next, B lives in an even number flat. Yes, B lives in an even number flat. Yes. Next, that means this one is for empty. This one is for here empty. See again. B live just above F and that means for B here chance, here also chance. We don't know. They didn't mention B is compulsory just above the F flats. So then they given one is what? B lives in an even number of flat means this one is for B. Now B just above F. So this is the given entire data. Take your question. Question number 7. See again. Question number 7 is what? Which of the following flat is empty on the second floor? On the second floor, which flat is empty here? Here, first flat. So, question number 7. Question number 7. Here answer is what? Flat number 1. On second floor, which flat is empty means here, first flat. Question number 8. Who among the following lives on the second floor? Second floor, who lives here? B and E. So, both B and E. B and E means what? Both B and C. B and C. So, answer is what? Option E. Question number 9. Who lives in the same numbered flat as C lives? Who lives in the same numbered flat as C lives? With C first flat. Then who lives in the first flat again? A. That means C and A. So A. Then question number 9. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 10. D lives in dash flat and dash floor. D lives on. Friends, okay. D lives in third floor and third flat. Okay. D lives in third flat and third floor. So then answer is for question number 10. Answer is for option D. Question number 10. Answer is for here. Option D. N. So D lives in the third flat and in the third floor and in the third floor. Yes. Question number 11. Dash flat is empty on lowermost floor. Which one is empty here? Here flat number 3. Flat number 3. So question number 11. Answer is for option C. Next friends, question number 12 to 16. Sige. 8% JK, L, M, N, O, P and Q are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Friends, totally here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table and all are facing toward the center. Leave it. Next one. Each of them has a different number of pens 12, 15, 17, 18, 21, 22, 26, 32 but not necessarily in the same order. Leave it. Next, M says star left of J. M is star left of J. Suppose friends take different is for J. All are facing inside. M is star left of J. Then for J, first left, second left, third left is for M. M is star left of J. M is star left of J. Next, who has 12 pens? Who has means for J has. So here J has 12 pens. J has 12 pens. Leave it. The one who has 18 pens is immediate neighbor of J. 18 pens is immediate neighbor of J means here 18 chance, here also 18 chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Take here one more possibility. Friends, totally here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Next, M is star left of J. M is star left of J. J contains here 12 pens. Now, see here. The one who has 18 pens is immediate neighbor of H, J. See here. The one who has 18 pens is immediate neighbor of J. That means here 18 here chance, here also chance. Yes, totally here we are having 2 possibilities. Leave it. Go for next point. See here. O has 4 more pens than P. That means friends, okay, O equal to 4 plus P. O equal to 4 plus P. Leave it. Next, the one who has 21 pens, second right of the one who has 18 pens. Now 21 pens is second right of 18 pens. 18 first right, second right is for 21 pens. Next one. See, M has more pens than N. Now friends, okay, M is more than N. M is more than N. Leave it. Next one. Only 2% sit between Q and the one who has 18 pens. 18 1 to Q chance. 18 1 to Q also chance. Again 2 possibilities. Here also 2 possibilities. Leave it. Next, O is immediate neighbor of J but not adjacent. See, O is an immediate neighbor of J but not an immediate neighbor of the one who has highest number of pens. So O is immediate neighbors means here O also here we are having 2 possibilities. Then leave it. Next, go for next point. See, friends, next go for next point. See, K has 17 pens. K has 17 pens. Sits on the immediate left of M. Now K is having 17 pens and sits on the immediate left of M. Here also K having 17 pens sits on the immediate left of M. Sits on the immediate left of M. Now friends, okay, previously they mentioned is what? See, only two persons are sit between Q and the one who is having 18 pens. Now 18 pence 1 to Q, no chance. 18 pence 1 to different is what here Q. Now 18 pence 1 to here Q, no chance. 18 pence 1 to different is what here Q. Friends, now they again one more clue point is what? See here, O is an immediate neighbor of J. O is an immediate neighbor of J. Next, O is immediate neighbor of J means friends check here. O here chance, O here also chance. Suppose friends check here, O is immediate neighbor of J. So that means for O here there is chance to take, here also there is chance to take. Suppose if I take here O, if I take here O contains how many pence here? 18. O contains 18. O equal to 4 plus P. That means here P contains 14. P contains 14. But here they didn't given 14. They didn't given 14. That means O18 no chance. O18 no chance. Suppose if I take O is 21. O is 21. O equal to 4 plus P. That means here O contains 21. Now P contains 17. They given 17 or not? Yes. But 17 is already fixed for K. 17 is already fixed for K. See here. Now I am eliminating this possibility from check here. O equal to O contains 4 more pence than P. That means O equal to 4 plus P. But O is immediate neighbor of J. That means for O here chance, O here also chance. If I take this possibility for O means now O contains 18 pence. If O contains 18 pence means O equal to 4 plus P. Then P contains here 14 pence. They didn't given 14 pence. That means O 18 no chance. If I take O is 21, O is 21. So if O is 21 means O equal to 4 plus P. That means P is what? 17. But 17 pence is already fixed for here. Okay. That means this possibility no chance. This possibility no chance. Yes. Now O is immediate neighbor of J and O is immediate neighbor of J. So O is immediate neighbor of J means if I take different spot O, different spot here O. O is having 18 pence, then P is 14 pence, not there. Then this is the possibility for O. This is the possibility for O. Next, leave it. Next, go for next point. Friends, okay. L and P are immediate neighbors and both of them have a total of 33 pence. Now, friends, okay. L and M, see here, L and P are immediate neighbors and both of them have a total of 33 pence. Now, often check L and P both are, see here, L and P both are adjacent. Now L plus P total is what? 33. Total is what? 33. Now friends check so L and P are adjacent means here possibilities what? These three are the possibilities. These three are the possibilities. Suppose friends check if I take see here, suppose friends if I take here L is suppose L and P here, L and P here. Suppose friends check if I take L is what? 21. L is what? 21. Then P is compulsory. P is compulsory here 12. Why means L plus P equal 33. L plus P equal 33. Suppose friends check if I take here L and P are neighbors means these three are the possibilities. If I take L is 21, now P is what? 12. If P is 12 means then O is what? O is what? 4 plus P. That means O is what? 16. O is 16. Where they given 16 here? No. That means this one no chance. Suppose friends check if I take a different is for P, P is 21. P is 21. Now L is 12. L is 12. So P is 21 means now 12 is already fixed for J. 12 is already fixed for J. No need to check. No need to check. Suppose friends check in this case. Suppose if I take P is what? 12. Sorry, P is 18. If P is 18 means now suppose different is what? L. Suppose L is what? 15. L is what? 15. 18 plus 15 is what? 33. If P is 18, O is what? 4 plus P. That means O is what? 22. 22. There are not there. Yes. Yes. O is 22 is possibility. Yes. Next one. Often check here. Next, any other clue points? See again. L plus P. L and P both are adjacent. L and P both are adjacent. Next, L plus P total is what? 33. O contains 4 more pence than P. Next one is what? M contains more pence than N. M is more than N and M is more than N. Now remaining pence is what? Often they give one clue point check once. O is immediate neighbor of J. O is immediate neighbor of J. But that means O. O is not immediate neighbor of the one who is having highest number of pence. That means friends check highest number of pence means here for Q highest number of pence no chance. If Q no chance means then only possibility for highest number of pence is what? Here. This remaining is what? Only M. That means here M contains 32. M contains here 32. M is more than N. M is more than N. That means M is more than means now remaining is what? Here. M is more than N. Now remaining is what? Friends check 26, remaining is what? 26. That means here Q contains 26. Now the funny is what? Here N. Now M contains more than N. This is the given one. Now take your question. Question number 12. Who among the following sits exactly between K and L? Between K and L, who is exactly between K and L? N. So question N, otherwise 21 pen. So answer is what? Option C. So friends, here question number 12, answer is what? Option C. Question number 13. Who among the following represents the immediate neighbors of the one who has 32 pens? Immediate neighbors are 32 pens. K and Q. K and Q. Yes. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 13. Option D. Question number 14. How many persons have more number of pens than L but less than pens than O? More than L. So L is what? Here 15. Next, less than O. O contains here 22. So between 15 and 22, what are the given numbers they given? 15 and 22. What are the numbers? 17, 18, here 21. 17, 18, 21. That means here we are having 3 persons. Here we are having 3 persons. Yes. So question number 14. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 15. What is the position of K with respect to the one who has 12 pens? Position of K with respect to the one who is having 12 pens. Then opposite, otherwise fourth right, otherwise fourth left. So fourth left or fourth right. Then answer is what? Option E. Question number 16. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which of the following is not belong? So out of given 5 options, 4 are same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now, friends, okay, L15, L15, this one is correct. Next, Q26, this one also correct. P18, P18 correct. J12 correct. O22, O22 also correct. Now, friends, okay. So which of the following is not belongs? L is 15 and L is 15. Next, Q26. That means friends, check here. Simply here all are given here even numbers. But here 15 is what? Odd number. 15 is what? Odd number. So question number 16. Which one is different? Different one means answer is what? Option A. L15. Why means here L and 15. This matching is correct. But 15 is a even odd number. But remaining all are even number. So question number 16. Option A. Question number 17 to 21. See here, 7 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U and V were placed in such a way that one box is placed above another but not necessarily in the same order. All box contains different number of toffees 16, 21, 23, 28, 32, 45 and 49, not necessarily in the same order. Leave. Next, there are 3 boxes between V and P. Between V and P, here we are having 3 boxes. But we don't know whether V is above P or P is above V. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Now friends, check here. V 1, 2, 3. Different is what? Here P. Otherwise P 1, 2, 3. Different is what? Here V. Leave it. Next, which contains? That means P contains the number of toffees divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means what? Here possibility is what? 21 divisible by 3. 45 also divisible by 3. That means for P possibilities are 21, otherwise 45. Next, leave it. The box which contains the odd number of toffees is divisible by 7. Place immediately above the box V, which is more than 25. Which is more than 25. So odd number divisible by 7. Then which one is the possibility? But more than 23. More than 23 means what? Possibility is what? Only possibility is what? 49. That means 49 is immediately above V. Now 49 is immediately above V. Here also 49 is immediately above V. Next, leave it. Go for next point. Friends, okay. More than 3 boxes are placed between the box which contain 32 toffees and 49 toffees. Between 32 and 49, here we are having more than 3 boxes. More than 3 means minimum we are having 4 boxes between 32 and 49. Now 49, upside no chance to take. If I take upside means it will becomes more than 7. Take downside. 49, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is what? There is chance to take 32. But P contains 21 or 45. No chance. Then this one is what? Here 32. Now check here. Between 49 and 32, here we are having more than 3 boxes. In this case, between 49 and 32, more than 3 boxes means 49, 1, 2, 3, 4. Downside no chance to take. Now 49, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is what? This one is what? Here 32. Check once how many boxes completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 completed. Yes, leave it. Go for next point. Friends, okay. There are only 1 box is placed between T and V. Between T and V, we are having only 1 box. V 1 box T neurons. Y means already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes are completed. Now V next here. V 1 box different part T different part here T. Now in this case V 1 box different part here T. Leave it. Next one box is placed between T and V. Next, there are two boxes are placed between P and R. Between P and R, here we are having two boxes. Now, P 1 to different spot here R. Between P and R, one box is sent. Between P and R, sorry, there are two boxes are placed between P and R. Now P 1 to R no chance. P 1 to different spot here R different spot R. Now see here, there are two boxes are placed between P and R. Next, which contain? That means R contains the number of toffees divisible by 5. So in this case, R contains 49. Whether it is divisible by 5? No. Then this possibility, no chance. Now R contains the toffees which are divisible by 5. So 5 multiple they give only 1. That means here 45. That means here R contains 45 toffees. R contains 45 toffees. Yes, leave it. Next one. More than 3 boxes are placed between the box which contains 28 toffees and 32 toffees. Between 28 and 32, here we are having more than 3. More than 3 means minimum we are having 4. Now 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different spot. 28. Between 28 32, here we are having more than 3 toffees. Yes, leave it. Next one. So here, box S is placed immediately above the box which contains 28. S is immediately above the 28 and see here. Previously they mentioned between 32 and 28, here we are having more than 3. More than 3 means minimum we are having 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 28 chance. Then if I take here no chance. Then up means no chance. Y means here we are having 7 boxes. Now S is placed immediately above the box containing 28 toffees. Next one. There are two boxes between box Q and T. Between Q and T, here we are having two boxes. T 1 to Q no chance. T 1 to different spot here Q. Next one. Often check two boxes between Q and T. Next leave it. Which contains the number of toffees is a perfect square. T contains the number of toffees which is a perfect square. So given on perfect square is what? 49 completed 16. Yes, that means here T contains here 16. T contains here 16. P contains 21 or 45, but 45 completed. For P possibility is for 21. Now take remaining. See here. P completed, Q completed, next R completed, S completed, T completed, next U. Next remaining is for U. Yes, friends, check here. This one is for here U. This one is for U. Now remaining number is what? 16 completed. Next remaining is for 21 completed. Remaining is 23. Remaining is what here 23. Yes, this is the given one. Take here now questions. Question number 17. Which of the following box contains 45 toffees? R. So question number 17. Answer is option E. Question number 18. How many boxes are placed between the box contains 28 toffees and U? Between 28 and U, how many boxes here we are having? 28 and U. Two boxes. So question number 18. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 19. How many boxes are placed above T? Above T, how many boxes we are having? 1, 2, 3 boxes. So question number 19. Answer is for option B. Question number 20. What is the total number of toffees contained by T and P? T and P sum. T and P sum is what? 16 plus 21. Total is what? Here 37. Total is what? 37. Question number 20. Answer is what? Option C. 21. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. So form a group. Find the one that does not belongs. Out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? P. Now P contains 21 odd number. P contains 21. Next U contains here. U contains 23 odd. R contains 45 odd. Next V contains 28 even. S contains one check. S contains here 49 here odd. That means answer is what? V. Y means P U R S contains odd number of toffees, but V contains even number of toffees. Question number 22. Which element is fourth to the left of next eighth digit from right hand? One is left, other one is what? Right. Yeah, total is what? 12. Question is ending with right hand. 12 from right hand. Check once. By default left hand, this one is what? Right hand 12th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th one is what? 6. So question number 22. Answer is option B. Question number 23. How many prime numbers are there? Yes, friends, take here. Prime numbers. So here they given less than 10 means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Next. How many prime numbers are there? Which is immediately preceded by a prime number. Preceding is a prime number. Preceding is a prime number. Yes. Now friends check here. 5 preceding prime number, no chance. 7 preceding 5 prime number, no chance. Next, 3 preceding prime number, no chance. Now 2 is a prime number, preceding also prime number 1. Next, 5 is a prime number, preceding also prime number 2, also prime number. That means here 2. Next, prime number preceding prime number. Then, so next one is what here? Friends here, prime number preceding also prime number. Prime number preceding also prime number. That means totally here we are having 4 pairs. Then answer is what? None of this. Answer is what? None of this. Yes. Why means here they given 1, 2 they given, 3 given, 1 they given, none they given. Then answer is what? None of this. Question number 24 to 27. Friends check here. P at the rate Q means what? P is not smaller. Not smaller means possibility is what? Greater than or equal to. P hash Q means what? Not greater. Not greater than means what? Less than or equal to. P percentage Q means what? Neither greater nor equal. That means here less than. P star Q means what? Friends here. P is neither smaller nor greater. Neither smaller nor greater means possibility is what? Equal to. Next, dollar means what? Neither smaller nor equal. Then greater than. Now take a statement. Friends here. Q hash. Hash means what? Friends here. Less than or equal to R. Next. Q less than or equal to R. S at the rate R. S is greater than or equal to R. Then R is less than or equal to. Yes. T dollar yes. Dollar means what? T is greater than yes. Then S is less than T. Take first conclusion. Percentage. Percentage means what? Less than. Dollar means what? Here greater than. At the rate means what? Greater than or equal to. Now check here. Q less than T. Q less than T. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Less than. Result is what? Less than. Then Q less than T. First one is true. Second one. T and R. Less than or equal less than. Less than. R less than T. Then T greater than R. Second one also true. Third one. R and Q. Q less than or equal to R. Then R is greater than or equal to Q. Third one also true. Then answer is what? All are true. So question number 24. Answer is what? Option E. All are true. Question number 25. Friends check here. Given statement. X star W. Star means what? Here X equal to W. Next W at the rate. At the rate means what? Greater than or equal to Y. Y percentage. Percentage means what? Less than Z. Take here star. Star means what? Equal to. Dollar means what? Greater than. Next dollar means what? Here greater than. Check here X and Z. X and Z relation is what? Friends check here X and Z. Equal to, greater than or equal to, less than. Greater than or equal less than, opposite, can't say. First one is what? Can't say. Second one, X and Z. X and Z relation is what? Equal to, less than, between, greater than or equal to, can't say. Next one, W and Z. W and Z relation is what? Greater than or equal less than, both are opposite, can't say. Then simple answer is what? None is true. So, question number 25, answer is what? Option D. Question number 26, take your given statement. N at the rate M. At the rate means what? N is greater than or equal to M. Next, O dollar M. O dollar means what? Friends, check it. O is greater than M. Then M is less than O. M is less than O. T hash N. Hash means what? Less than or equal to. So, T is less than or equal to N. Friends, check it. T is less than or equal to N. Take your first conclusion. Hash means what? Hash means what? Here, less than or equal to. At the rate means what? Greater than or equal to. Dollar means what? Here, greater than. Check here first one. T less than or equal to O. T less than or equal to O. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal less than. Here both are opposite. First one is can't say. Second one. N and O. N and O relation is what? Both are opposite. Can't say. Third one. T and M. T and M relation is what? Both are opposite. Can't say. Then answer is what? None is true. Question number 26. Answer is option D. Now friends check here. Question number 27. A dollar B. Dollar means what? Friends check here. Dollar. Dollar means what? Greater than. So A greater than B. B hash less than or equal to D. D star means what? Equal to C. Take first conclusion. Star. Star means what? Here equal to. Percentage means what? Less than. Dollar means what? Friends here greater than. Now C and B less than or equal to, equal to, less than or equal. That means here B less than or equal to C. But here they mention C equal to B. No. C less than A. Friends here greater than, less than or equal to, equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to, both are opposite. Can't say. C and D. C and D relation is what? C equal to D. But they mention greater than D means what? False. Then answer is what? None is true. Question number 27. Option E. Question number 28 to 29. Friends check. X is the sister of O. Friends check. The given is what? X is the sister of O. Leave it. Next. L is the daughter of B. Friends check. The given one is what? L is the daughter of B. L is the daughter of B and wife of Z. That means unqualified here. L. L is wife of Z. B and J are children of Q and W. Now, friends, again, B and J, these two are children of here Q and W. That means here Q and W both are couples. Q and W both are couples. Next, who has only one son and one daughter? That means W having only one son and one daughter. Next one, J is married to P. Now, friends, check it. J is married to P. Next, who is means what? P is father of O. P is father of O. That means P is father of O. J and P are couple. That means here J is minus. But for this couple, we are having only one son and one daughter. Only one daughter. This one is what? Only one son. Next one. Next one is what? J is married to P, who is the father of O, and he has only one daughter. And he has only one daughter. That means here, often check here. P is father of O. Next and means here P. P has only one daughter. P has only one daughter. X is sister of O. X is sister of O. So X is sister of O. For P having only one daughter, that means here X. That means here O is plus. O is plus. Next one. W is mother-in-law of P. W is mother-in-law of P. And so friends here, W is mother-in-law of P means W is minus. Now Q is plus. L and Z are couples. L minus means what? Z is plus. Now this is the given one. Take question number 28. How B is related to Q? How B is related to O and sorry, how B is related to O. So friends, check here. O mother is what? J. J brother is what? B. So here, friends, here mother brother. So mother brother is what? Uncle. So question number 28. Answer is what? Option A. Here. The given is what? How B is related to O and O mother is what? J. J brother is what? Here B. So here mother brother is what? Here uncle. Question number 29. If the age of B is 28 years. Now friends, here B is 28 years. B is 28 years. Then what could be the possible age of W? So friends, again, so here B is son of W. B age is 28 means then W age is what? More than 28. More than 28, which option they given? They given 48. That means question number 29. Answer is what? Option D. Now, friends, again, question number 30 to 33. Friends, for this one, first I will solve entire, then I will go for questions and why means here they given one question is what? See here, they given one question is what? How many words codes can definitely determine? That means we should solve entire and we should solve entire. Yes, friends, again. So friends, again, now come. Here we are having come, here also we are having come. Then first line, second line, common information is come. Now common code is what? At the rate percentage not there, at the rate percentage not there. Dollar star percentage, dollar percentage and two codes are same. If two codes are same is compulsory, two informations are same. Come same at the same time, soon also same. That means what the code for come otherwise soon means then answer is what? Friends, check it. Answer is what? Here. Dollar star percentage. See dollar star percentage. Otherwise dollar percentage and leave it. Next one. Next one is what? Early. Next one is what? Early. Whether early is percentage remaining lines not there. Next one, weather. Friends, here we are having weather. Here we are having weather. Next, here also we are having weather. First line, third line, common quotes. Now remaining quotes is what? First line, third line. Friends, check it. At the rate percentage dollar. At the rate percentage dollar. That means what the code for weather and see what the code for here. Weather means answer is what? Percentage. Friends, check it. At the rate percentage dollar. So friends, again here at the rate percentage dollar. Line number one, remaining information is earlier. Remaining code is what? Friends, again. Then what the code for early means? What the code for early means? At the rate percentage star. Next, leave it. Go for second line. Now here we are having moon. Remaining lines moon is not there. Leave it. Next one. Soon already completed. Next one. Come already completed. Next one is what? Morning. Here we are having morning. Next, here also we are having morning. Now common code. Friends, okay. Cap star percentage not there. Cap percentage and that means what the code for moon means? What the code for moon means? Cap. Next one is what? Percentage and cap percentage and. Now line number two. Remaining information is what? Friends, okay. Sorry. Cap percentage and this one is code for. Friends, sorry. So here common one is what? Here morning and here morning. Here also here we are having morning and here also we are having morning. Now common is what? Cap percentage and this one is for morning. This one is for here morning. Friends check here. This code is for morning. This one is for here morning. Now friends check here line number 2 remaining information is what? Moon. Now remaining code is what? Cap star percentage. So moon code is what? Moon code is what? Here cap star percentage. Next one. Go for next one. See here, morning completed. Next one, weather completed. Great way. Here we are having great. Here also we are having great. Now common code is what? Friends, see here, hash cap dollar. That means what the code for great means? See here, what the code for here? Great means hash cap dollar. Next one. Next one is what? Where remaining only code is what? Hash cap dollar. Hash cap dollar completed. Next one. Remaining only code is what? Here. Hash cap at the rate. Hash cap at the rate. That means what the code for away means. What the code for away means. Answer is what? Hash cap at the rate. Hash cap at the rate. Yes. Now friends again. Next one is what? Here. Charming. Next one is what? Here. Charming. So here charming is present. Sun also present. Next one is what? Glow also present. That means charming code is what? Friends again. So friends again. Now friends check here. What the code for charming sun glow? Charming sun glow code is what? Check here. So charming next sun definitely spot glow. These three are present in last line. These three are present in last line. So friends here last line that means these codes are we can't say. Charming we can't say. Sun we can't say. Glow also we can't say. We know about only great. Great code is what? This one. Yes. Now leave it. Take your question. What is the code for weather morning grade? Weather code is what? At the rate percentage star. Sorry. At the rate percentage a dollar. Next one is what? Morning code is what? Friends cap percentage and next one is what? Grade code is what? Hash cap dollar. Check now answer. Cap star no chance. Next one at the rate percentage dollar. Next cap percentage and hash cap dollar. Yes, this one is chance. This one is chance. Next check for fourth one. Check for your fourth one. At the rate percent. Why means here they given BRD also. Then at the rate percentage star no chance. Then answer is for option B. Question number 30. Option B. Question number 31. What is the code for come great moon? Come. What the code for here? Come. Friends check it. Come code is what? Dollar star percentage. Otherwise dollar percentage and next one. Great code is what? Friends check it. Hash cap dollar. Next one moon code is what? Friends check it. Moon is what? Cap star percentage. Check once answers. Dollar. Yes dollar. Star percentage, yes. These should be compulsory out of these two one code. Yes. Next one. Hash cap dollar. Next cap. Star percentage. This one is chance. Yes. Then don't take this one. Either ERB, ERC. Check for your second one. At the rate starting no one is there. This one no chance. Check for here. This one. Hash cap dollar. Yes. Cap star percentage. Dollar percentage and this one also chance. Then answer is what? Either ERC. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 32. How many words code can definitely determine? So here come and soon we can't say. Whether we can able to 1. Early we can able to 1, 2. Next 3, 4, 5, 6. Next this one we can't say. Then answer is what? 6. Answer is what? 6. Question number 32. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 33. If go come whether is written as something code, then soon away go. Soon away go and friends check it. Friends, what the code for soon here? What the code for here? Soon star dollar star percentage. Otherwise dollar percentage and next one. Next one is what? Friends check here. So friends check here. Now we are able to eliminate. Friends check here. The given is what? What the code for? What is the code for? Then soon away go. Friends check here. Come or soon code is what? Dollar star percentage. Dollar star percentage. That means dollar star percentage they given. Dollar star percentage they given. That means what the code for soon means for dollar percentage and dollar percentage and next away. Away code is what? Hash cap at the rate. Next one is what? Go. Next one is what? Here go. So friends, one check here. Go is present in which lines? Here we are having go. Come completed. Go weather. Weather code is one. Here weather. Here we are having weather. Here we are having weather. Here we are having weather. Here also we are having weather. Weather code is one. Friends, check. Already we determined weather code is what? At the rate percentage dollar. At the rate percentage dollar means this one is weather code. Now go code is what? See here. Go code is what? Dollar at the rate hash. Dollar at the rate hash. Check once options. Dollar percentage and next at the rate no chance. Next dollar percentage and next dollar at the rate hash cap at the rate this funny chance then answer is what option B 33 answer is what option B. Question number 34 to 36 friends take here. 10 persons are sitting in two parallel rows containing 5 people in each row such a way that there is an equal distance between adjacent persons. In first row, D, E, F, G and H are seated and all of them are facing south. Yes, friends, check here. First row here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. Second row also here we are having 5 members. Then friends here D, A, different spot here F, different spot G, different spot H are seated. All of them is facing south. Different spot M, N, O, different spot P, Q. All are facing north. All are facing north. Leave it. Next one. Friends, here two persons in between G and F. Next, leave it. D faces the one who sits far left of P. D is facing the one who sits far left of P and D is facing the one who sits far left of P. Suppose if I take here D, now D is facing the one who is far left of P. Yes, chance. If I take D here also, P chance. That means there is chance to get one more possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take here 1, 2, 3 here 4, 5. If I take here P. First left, second left, third left. This person is facing D. Now D is facing the one who sits third left of P. Here also D is facing the one who sits third left of P. Yes, leave it. Next one. After next point is one. See here. Two persons between G and F. Leave it. Next. G is an immediate neighbor of D. G is an immediate neighbor of D means if I take here G, but between G and F, two members, no chance to take. If I take here G, between G and F, two members, possibility. Now G is immediate neighbor of D. Between G and F, here we are having two persons. Here we are having two persons. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, here O faces the one who sits far right of E. O faces the one who sits far right of E. Suppose if I take here E, first right, second right, third right. This person is facing O. This is the only chance. If I take here E, first right, second right, third right. This person is facing O. O facing the one who sits far right of E. Next point. Next one is one. O does not sit at any of the extreme, but here O is at extreme, no chance. Next one. Often check here, both Q and O are not immediates. Q and O are not immediates means here Q no chance. Then is the possibility for Q. Now in this case, remaining is what? H. Next one. M does not face H. That means M here no chance. This is the possibility for M. This is the possibility for M. Now remaining is what? N. Remaining is N. Question number 34. Who among the following faces N? Who faces N means what? H. So question number 34, answer is what? Option D. Question number 35, how many persons sit between M and Q? Between M and Q, how many persons are there? 2 persons. Then question number 35, answer is what? Option A. Question number 36, who among the following faces to the one who sits second right of O? So friends, here, the one who sits second right of O is what? Q. Q facing which one? F. So question number 36, answer is what? Option C. Take here, question number 37, friends, take here. Some del is HP. Friends, take here del. Now some del is HP. Some del is here HP. Next, only few HP is a Lenovo. Some HP is a Lenovo. At the same time, some part of HP is not Lenovo. Some Lenovo are Acer. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. Some Acer can be HP. Acer and HP listening part can't say, but here they mention can be possibility correct. Next one. Some Lenovo are not HP. Friends, here we know some HP is not Lenovo. We can't say some Lenovo is not HP. Second one is wrong. Third one, all HP being Dell is a possibility. We know some HP is a Dell, but all HP is Dell means what? We can't say, but they mention possibility. Then this one is true. Then 1 and 3 are true. So answer is what? 1 and 3 means answer is option A. Question number 38. Only few cups are bowls. Friends, here cups. Now some cups are bowls, some cups are here bowls. At the same time, some part of cup is not bowl. Next, no bowl is a plate, no bowl is a here plate. Next one is one. Friends, okay. Only few plates are glasses. That means Some plates are glass, some plate is a glass. At the same time, some part of plate is not glass. Take first conclusion. Some bowls are not glasses, some bowls are not glasses. We know no plate is a bowl means some part of glass is not bowl, but we can't say some bowl is not glass. First one is can't say. Second one, some bowls are not cups, some bowls are not cup. We know some cup is not bowl, we can't say some bowl is not cup. This one also wrong. Next one, all cup being plate is a possibility. We know no bowl is a plate, no bowl is a plate means bowl cup is some part. We know some part of cup is not plate, then all cup being plate is a possibility. Wrong. Then answer is what? None follow. So option B. Question number 39. Some apples are mango. Friends, check apple. Some apple is a mango. Next. No mango is papaya. No mango is papaya. Only few papaya are kiwi. Some papaya is kiwi. At the same time, some papaya is not kiwi. Next, take first one. Some papaya are not kiwi. Some papaya is not kiwi. Yes, first one is true. Second one, all mangoes are kiwi is a possibility. All mango or kiwi is a possibility. Yes, see here mango and kiwi relation is what? We know some part of papaya is here kiwi. No papaya is mango means some part of kiwi is not mango. Then all mango being kiwi is a possibility, correct? Why means this some part of kiwi is not mango. Remaining kiwi and mango we can't say. That means mango there is chance to keep with this remaining part of kiwi. That means all mango can be kiwi is a possibility, correct? Next one, some apple are not kiwi. Some apple is not kiwi. Apple and kiwi relation is what? Can't say. This one is wrong. Answer is what? Only 1 and 2 follows. Answer is option B. Question number 40. All balloon are ball. Friends, check it. Balloon. This all balloon are ball. All balloon are ball. Some balloons are ribbon. Some balloon is a ribbon. Some balloon is a ribbon. Next, only few ribbons are stick. Some ribbon is a stick. Next, some part of ribbon is a not stick. Some part of ribbon is not stick. Take first conclusion. Some ball is stick. Some ball is stick. Ball and stick relation is what? Can't say. Next, some sticks are not ribbon. Some sticks are not ribbon. We know some ribbon not stick. We can't say some stick is not ribbon. Can't say. All balloon or stick is a possibility. All balloon or stick is a possibility. Balloon and stick relation is what? Can't say. Then possibility is correct. Possibility is correct. Yes. Then answer is what? Only 3 follow. Then answer is what? Option A.